recording.
Recording? So what are you going to post on?
YouTube. Okay, so we're on YouTube. My daughter's going to show y'all how to do 5th grade math, and it's called PEMDAS, right?
Yes, and just in case if you don't get it, comment on the, what you need help with on there.
Yeah, and Alicia will be on the description if you have any questions. Yeah, and you can find her on her page as well. And it'll be on the bottom of the description, and we will also leave her link to her page, to her YouTube channel.
I got to send this to me because, you know, all my account is about Fortnite and video games.
So yeah, in case you have a question, you can still comment on one of those videos, and she'll get back to you. She'll go back to wherever, and she'll try to explain. All right.
So I'm doing PEMDAS right now, and so P stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so this is in the parentheses, so basically we got that down. Exponents, so 2 times 2 would be 4.
But give an example.
So, you know, for exponents, if you're doing 2 and 3 like that, then you would have to do it like this. 2 times 2 times 2. You can't do it 2 times 3. It's different. So, there's videos on how to do this for exponents, just in case if you needed help with that and you didn't get it. But it's like this, and so I like to go like this, 4, and then 4 times 2 would be 8, so that would be
your answer for that.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, back. So that's how we got the answer for 2 times 2.
And so basically you gotta bring down the rest of the numbers. And so we already did, well, no, we already did that, so.
There's no multiplication.
Yeah, there's no multiplication, so we could already cross that out. No division at all. But there's addition, so we gotta start with that. 7 plus 4 would be
11. Come on,
11.
child.
I knew that. So we already did that. We could cross out addition now because we already did it. So now we're on to subtraction. 29 minus 11.
You bring down the 29.
So I do it like this. It helps me because, you know, 1-on-1. So 8 and then 1. So basically you would get 18. So 18 would be your answer for this one. So we could cross that out. So now this one's done. Now let's move on to the other question. Okay, so
this one's a little tricky.
Yes, so on this one, once we get through all this, we're going to have to, okay, I will explain it once we get there since it's going to be complicated. I can't explain anything, right? So 4 times 2, 4 times 4 would be 16. 16. And then
the dot means
multiplication.
Okay.
And you still bring those brackets down. And then you bring down 2.
Go ahead and start
and
marking out.
Down to 5. And we already did exponents. And we're already doing this one.
So exponents is this right here.
Yeah.
The little 2 above the 4.
Yes. And then 16 times 3. Let's do that real quick.
Okay.
3 times 6 would be 18. 3 times 1 would be 3, but there's 1 up there, so you got to add that 1 to the 3 before. So 48. And then we already got that done. The brackets right here. Plus 2. Okay, here's where it gets tricky.
Go ahead and mark out that.
Multiplication. And there's
There's division.
So, but there's no subtraction, so we could already cross that out. So instead of doing, because you know how division is before addition, instead of doing that, because there are brackets, you always have to do what's inside the brackets first. Then you gotta move. Then you could do the other one.
What's outside of the brackets?
Yes.
Okay.
So 48 plus 2 would be 50. And 50 divided by
5.
5 would
Which
be,
is right here. That's the 5 that she got.
so would be 10. So 10 would be your answer for this equation. So we can already mark that out. So as I said, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction.
And always go
Left and right.
left
Left
to
to
right.
right. So you start off left and then you go to right. So if there's anything confusing about that, you could always ask in the comments down below.
All right. Thanks, guys. That's how you do 6th grade math.